baby. It's your birthday. It's your birthday today. Ayan. Sabi sa kanya. Hello, everyone. Sabi mo na, I'm 1 year old already. Alis si Mami. Ayaw mo alis si Mami? Ha? Alis si Mami. Ayaw? Ayaw mo? Ha?
A few moments later.
So, ayan, right after bumangon from bed, dumiretso ako ng market para bumili ng mga lulutuin. And then, nagluto na rin ako pagdating sa bahay. And then, ayan nga, dumating na yung cake niya from Make and Bake. So, hopefully, magustuhan ng mga batuta kasi it was kind of hard for me to pick kung saan ako mag-order ng cake nila. Anyway, meron mga gumagawa sa bahay kasi yung stairs namin is hindi na ganun ka-stable, so we have to replace it with steel. So ayun na nga. But anyways, si Mami mo is hindi ka naman pababayaan on your birthday, so ayan, nag-prepare pa din ako. So there's this spaghetti and cake for parents, of course. Tapos I cooked pasta at yung cake mo nga, and then your sausages and treats. So ayan, let's just enjoy your first birthday. Babawi ang Mami kapag libre ang lahat. Okay? Happy birthday, Rian!